Any questions? If not, that's okay. Okay, so this one's going to be a little bit different because I give you the graph. I give you the graph here. Okay. Basically here we have a graph of a parabola. And this is, the graph keeps on going up and up, okay? We want to get a function. We want to get a formula for this. We want to find the function whose graph is this, is what I'm saying. Find an equation of the function graph. Well, notice again, you can see the vertex is 1, -4. Remember, the vertex is where the highest or the lowest point is. No, seriously, let me say it this way. That's where the graph turns around. Meaning, if you were to imagine walking on the graph, kind of like, how do I say it? Kind of like, a trail or something, the vertex is where you turn around and you walk the other direction, right? You're coming down, 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 la-di-da-di-da. Thinking about math and calculus, fun stuff. And then, turn around. We have to walk this way now. That's where the vertex is. So the vertex is 1, -4. And we have these 3 other points here. We really need only one other point, though, besides the vertex. But you have a choice, which is nice. So now that we know the vertex, HK, right, we're going to take, just like before, H to be 1, K to be -4, right? So again, the vertex we know is HK, which is this. So H has to be 1, K has to be -4, okay? Okay, so what does that tell us? Well, this is what our quadratic function is going to look like. Again, this is a parabola, you can see from the graph. It looks like a, what do you call it, a U almost like, without a tail, if that makes sense. But anyway, we know that H is 1, K is -4, so we have this so far. But now the question is, what is A? Well, again, you can use any of these points. You don't have to use all of them. We only need one other. But we have a choice, though, which is nice. See, so I used the point 3, 0. That's what I did. So since I'm using this point, this tells us that if x is 3, y has to be 0. If x is 3, then we have to get y 0. Y, again, is f of x, where f is the function. Okay, so if x is 3, y is 0, we plug it in. Now we can find a. Well, 3 minus 1. We know that's 2. So here we get 2 squared. A times 2 squared minus 4, which is this. And of course, this is 4a. Again, a is your unknown, so I put it on the right. 4 is a coefficient. I mean, if you wrote it as A4 on an exam, I'm not going to take points off. So, but I write 4a minus 4, we get a 0, as you can see. Next, what do? Well, we want to get a all alone, right? A's are unknown. We want to get it all alone, isolate it. So we can add 4 to each side to get this. Then we divide by 4. We get 1 equals a. So a must equal 1. Again, the unknown goes on the left-hand side. So since a is 1, we really don't write it. So this is our function. I mean, you want to show work when solving this problem. You don't really want to just guess using like Desmos or something. You really want to show your work. Guessing is really not the best way to approach a math problem. So, okay, so we have that example. Okay, this one I want everyone to try. Take about, at least get started on it. Take about, let's see, like, 4 minutes. or about 3-4 minutes, okay? Do the same thing I did. Here, I mean, I do give you another point besides the vertex, okay? I mean, we have this point and this point, but you still have enough information to solve it. So I want everyone to work on this one now, please. So let me just stop the recording.